Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2012 BMW M5. So any screen, if we go over, click nav here, that button there, that just brings that screen up. Doesn't mean a whole lot. What you have to do, the iDrive, knock the iDrive over to the left hand side, knock it over again, and then you get this other menu, and we want destination input. Destination, easy for me to say, destination input. We want postcode. Click on postcode. And now with the rotary control, we're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Hale Walton, Preston, PR. Now we need numbers. Again, not immediately obvious. So we go round here to the bottom there, and you've got numbers and symbols. Numbers and symbols. So PR5, 4, it's gone back to, or if I click here now, it will go to letters. E, A. So it's not very intuitive in my opinion anyway. But if I just click on that now, you see there, accept destination, start guidance.
Please make a U-turn if possible.
That's it. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.